Hey, it's Norm from Tested.com, and I'm here at Maker Faire, Bay Area 2013 at the Arduino booth. I'm here with David. You're one of the members of the Arduino team, and you guys have introduced something new, a new product this year called the Arduino Robot. What is the Arduino Robot?
The Arduino Robot is a platform to quickly start into micro robotics. In comparison to the other Arduino boards are usually intended for people to get a really quick start into electronics, but robotics implies so much more. It's mechanics, it's like something that moves. And we've been working with a team from Spain called the Complubot team. It's a robotics team that have 9 years experience in going to robotics competitions. We've been working with them in trying to understand what is important when you want to start with robotics. So first of all, you need to have a platform that moves properly, that reacts to some inputs, that have hooks for adding sensors to the platform and so on. So that's why we work very much in building something like this that has some pre-built sensors, but also a lot of hooks where you can add up to like 30-something sensors on top of it.
Are these sensors also things that Arduino might be selling, standardized sensors with 3 pins?
Yeah, we already sell started sensor kit with an ultrasound sensor, an infrared receiver, and a remote control. And we're exploring other kits and other possibilities depending on which kind of missions people are trying to achieve with the robot. We are considering other things like adding a servo motor to be able to lifting an object after you find it on the way or things like this. But so far, first thing we want to do is to see the robot out, see what people are building, and when people start to build their own classes around it, their own experiments around it, we'll see what matters the most.
So imagine buying this Arduino robot and you have sensors, you have motors plugged in. So what is the programming experience like? Because I've heard that you said that it's been described as plug-in programs. Is it really that easy?
Yeah, it's very much like programming any other Arduino board. We made 2 different collections of examples. One is called the Explore collection. It's all about just exploring the basic features the robot comes with and learning the basic things about robotics, like following a line or rescuing an object in a maze or controlling the robot with a remote control. And then we have the learn part of it where you go more in depth into the different functions, like how you show an image on the screen, how you play sound, how do you read one of the sensors in the bottom board, how you address a single pin that controls the speed of one of the 2 motors, for example. So that's the idea, that first you just want to get an easy way in, and then you want to go more in depth and you want to learn about it. But if you are an experienced roboticist, you might be interested in really writing your own personal way of following a line. We offer people like a very easy way to follow lines, a simple method called line follow, that follows lines until it finds an obstacle, like in this track here. This is like the braking line, for example.
And that's using a sensor on the bottom?
Yeah, the sensors in the bottom are going to be detecting that there is an end of line, so to say. But then you might be interested in making something else. Like when you find a cross like this one, you might be willing to tell your robot to turn right. So you can implement that by yourself and hack the basic firmware to make something else.
Well, it's something I actually definitely want to have my own robot for. So where can people find out more about the Arduino Robot and when it's going to be available?
Yeah, well, the Arduino Robot is now available at Maker Faire as a, let's say, exclusive deal. But it's going to be available in our store from July. And you can find more information at arduino.cc/robot.
Perfect. Thank you so much, David. Arduino Robot announced at Maker Faire, on sale here now, but it'll be online soon. We'll have more from Maker Faire 2013 on Tested.com. I'm Norm. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.